So I'm Dr. Paul, and we just wrapped up our chiropractic personal injury attorney educational sales. And what that is it's how to communicate with attorneys to get referrals. And it's the single most lucrative marketing you could do in chiropractic because there's a lot of business there. So we covered that in great detail. And this was a workshop, so it was kind of hands-on. So we're here with Dr. Mike, and you've been in practice how long?
12 years.
12 years, okay. And you've been to some PI seminars before?
Mm-hmm.
And how would you rate this to all your PI seminars?
No, this is great compared to everything else.
In which way? Why?
Well, I learned a lot, especially the workshops when we were drilling.
Yeah.
You got to learn what you were doing wrong, what to say, what not to say, so that way you won't lose your attorneys.
Yeah. So in other words, we went through all the categories of what you need to do, right?
Yes.
And then not only what you need to do, but what you better not do.
Correct.
Okay? Because you now probably realize more than ever, there's certain things you better not do or say, or you'll lose the business.
That's
okay?
right.
And just the same, you also learn there's certain things that you better say and do to stimulate and get the referrals, don't you? You
Yep.
now know the formula, don't you?
Correct.
And it's not just one thing, is it?
Nope.
It's a multiple of things, yeah. So what would you have to say to a chiropractor who's thinking about, doing personal injury or increasing his personal injury? What would you have to say to a chiropractor like that?
You got to get to the seminar.
Similar, yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Yeah.